Today, we've got something really exciting on the table. The all-new OPPO Find X9. I've been waiting to get my hands on this one. And just look at that box. Clean, minimal, and premium, just like OPPO always does. All right, first impressions, wow. The design looks absolutely stunning. We've got a sleek glass front and back with that aerospace-grade aluminum frame. And actually feels super premium in the hand. It's slim, around 8 millimeters thick, and the curves give it that perfect flagship vibe. And there it is, that 6.78-inch AMOLED display lighting up beautifully. The colors are sharp, the blacks are deep, and it's got a 120 Hz refresh rate. So everything feels buttery smooth. And that brightness? Up to 3,600 nits peak brightness. So trust me, you can take this out under direct sunlight and still see everything crystal clear. One thing I really love here is the snap key on the side. OPPO's added this new smart shortcut button. You can customize it to quickly open your camera, start recording, or even trigger AI features. Speaking of power, it's running on the MediaTek Dimensity 9500. That's a beast of a processor. Paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. This thing flies through apps and games without a hitch. Now, the cameras. You're looking at a triple 50MP setup with OPPO's Hasselblad color tuning. The shots come out rich, vibrant, and supernatural. Now, let's talk about the battery. OPPO Find X9 comes with a massive 7,500 mAh battery. It supports 80W wired fast charging. It's also got you covered there too, with 50W wireless charging support. So overall, the OPPO Find X9 feels like a perfect mix of style, power, and innovation. I'll be testing it out for a few more days, but so far, it's definitely looking like one of the cleanest flagships of the year.